Want to know how to change your timeline view from minutes and seconds to beats and measures? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, simply open up your Audacity application. And now once you've opened up your application here, you can just simply import any audio. Just hit toward files, select import and import any audio that you like. Now, here you should be seeing timeline right above your audio waveform right here. So just simply right click on it anyway in the timeline right here. And here you should be seeing beats and measures right below minutes and seconds. So you can just simply select it. And here you should be seeing the timeline convert to different. So that's it. This is how you easily convert minutes and seconds timeline to beats and measures. You can simply do the same in order to reverse it. And that's it. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.